Today, let us see some important points while doing program. In fact, we are trying to understand input and outputs. We are trying to understand some more input and outputs. Now, you see, if you open your PLC programming IDE, or you can say tool, you may have already like this program. Okay, you may have already like this program. Fine. So generally, what will they do? Okay, if you go in industry, you have to upload this program. Upload means what will happen? You will try to extract the program from the PLC. You will try to extract the program from the PLC and keep it for safe. For example, your new program is not working, then you can try to okay use the old program also. So for that, what will you do? You may try to do here like upload. Okay, like upload. If it like you press it, so you will get option to save it. So this program has gone here. So since it is simulator, okay, there may be some problem. It is not allowing to save it. But when you try to connect with the PLC, so automatically it will try to save that program. Okay. Now anyway, fine. Now let us see again how to start a new program. How to start new program. Fine. Now for example, as I told already, we should make one folder. Already we saw here. Okay. Like this. So let us make one more folder. PLC program others. So this is my folder. So what I will do the new program, I will try to save it here. Fine. So let me start the new. So I may select 1100 series, maybe B, like this. Got it? So this RS logic emulate 500, it should be opened. So then you can try to emulate it. That means you can simulate the program. Fine. Now let us understand some inputs and outputs. For example, I want to develop a new ladder programming. So I can keep it here. Let it be red. So then I can press on the new rung. You will get line. Okay. So already we saw putting one input, putting one output. So if you want to give the name for input, I can double click on the input. Then I can bring here I 0.0. Similarly for output, I can double click on the output. Then I can bring it here. Once it become green, I can leave it. So name will come automatically. So I can save it for further in the folder what I created for my program. I gave some name. Okay. Now according to this one, just I saved it. Now I want to upload this program. For example, if you want to know, is there any error? So simply I can go here, just you compile it. If you compile, it will show error at bottom. Unfortunately, you are not able to see here. Here at bottom, it will come no error found. You can see here no error found. Are you able to see? I don't know how to zoom it. Are you see? Verify as completed, no error found. Okay. So by doing this, compile. Okay. So we are trying to find what are the errors. So no error. I can go for simulate. Let us do the simulation. Now here you can go download. You are trying to download this program into PLC. It's asking yes. Then I can go. It's coming remote program. Run. Yes. Okay. Now here you see we know already, but still I am trying to do it one. If I give force on, so what will happen? The output will on. Remove force off, so it will off. Okay, like that. Now let us try to change the same thing. What is this? This is normally open. This is normally open. Okay, normally open contact. Now let me change this one. Okay, either you can delete. Okay, so let us delete it. I want to use like this normally closed contact. Then what will happen? By putting the symbol itself, you can see here you are getting green. Okay, the power supply already came from here to here. Fine. So anyway, I had to give the name. So let me give the name. Escape. Oh, actually, this input output came here. Let us see. Now let us see. This already is there. Okay. So I instead of normally open, I use the normally closed contact. Now I want to bring input output. Now you can see here. Now just I replaced normally open by normally closed. Now let us see what will be the output. Save it and download the program. Run the program, bring it to run. Now you see, I am not given any force here. I am not given any force. Without giving force, the output is on. It means what? Normally closed means it is already closed. So the power supply will come automatically from here to here. Okay. So once you switch on the PLC, okay, so the power supply will be automatically passed through to the output. Any doubt? Any doubt this? Please note down this one. Okay. Now let us say you see here, right click on this, force on. I not given any force. If I give force here, the output will off. You see. So in the normally closed, okay. If we give force, the switch will off. A normally closed contact or normally closed input. If we give force, okay, the switch will off. So that is the very important. We should understand. Fine. Now let us see here. I am force off. If there is no force, automatically it will on. Any doubt? Okay. So let us go offline. Fine. Okay. For example, if you want to give name, you can give name like edit description. Okay. You can write input. So it will come automatically input. So for example, I want to give some name. Output. Edit description and write whatever text like this output. So if you are having lot of inputs and outputs, so you can indicate what is the actual purpose of the input and output by giving the name like that. So again you can save it. Okay. If you want to run, you can run it. I will run. Go here. Download. Okay. Some problem here. Let us see. Download. It takes time little bit. So you can see here. So the input is normally closed. The output is normally open. Fine. Now if I download again, Voice